Tired of relying on banks for loans and high interest payments? What if you could become your own bank? Using a specially designed whole life insurance policy, you can borrow from yourself, while your cash value continues to grow. Here's how it works. 1. You buy a participating whole life insurance policy. 2. Over time, it builds cash value. 3. You can borrow against that value. No credit checks, no approval needed. 4. Meanwhile, your policy still earns interest and dividends, as if the money was never borrowed. Let's say you borrowed $20,000 from your policy to buy a car. Instead of paying the bank interest, you pay yourself back, with interest growing your wealth over time. Pros: tax-free loans, guaranteed growth, financial control. Cons: requires discipline, slow initial growth, must be structured correctly by a professional. Want to learn how to set this up properly? Talk to a licensed insurance professional and start building your own bank today.